If you're using Google Messages and love adding a bit of fun to your texts, you're going to love this. Google just dropped a cute little feature, which is emoji triggered full screen effects. Yep, all you have to do is send a single emoji and boom, your screen reacts with animations. This party confetti one. Let me show you how it works and what people are saying. So here's what's new. If you're using Google Messages on Android and you send certain single emojis, it now triggers a full screen animation in the chat. So now the one that I found that works for me is I haven't tried out all of the emojis, but that's the only one that works for me. But apparently there are more out there that do trigger different things. It's super cute. It gives conversations a bit more expression, especially if you're just reacting with one emoji. So using it is honestly really simple. There's no settings, no digging. Open the Google Messages app and start a new conversation or open an existing one. Type only one emoji in the message box, no words or extras, and hit send. If it's one of the supported emojis, your screen will light up with a full screen animation. That's it, no downloads, no updates, as long as you're using the latest version of Google Messages. Now, not all emojis work yet, and that's important to know. So currently the feature supports a small batch of emojis. But if you try an emoji and nothing happens, don't worry, it's not broken. It just might not be supported yet. So what I love about it is that it's super lighthearted and fun. It's great for birthday or special messages. And it does add personality to chats without needing GIFs or stickers. What some users are saying is they think it's a bit gimmicky. It only works if both users are using Google Messages with RCS enabled. And it can feel a little random if you're not expecting it. Honestly, I think it's a nice touch. It's not life-changing, but it adds a little joy to simple messages. And who doesn't need a little extra joy?